Everything you need to know about Bulgur wheat. Bulgur wheat is a popular ingredient in many traditional Middle Eastern dishes, and with good reason. This nutritious cereal grain is easy to prepare and comes with several potential health benefits. This video explains everything you need to know about Bulgur wheat, including its nutrients, benefits and how to cook with it. What is Bulgur wheat? Bulgur is an edible cereal grain made from dried, cracked wheat, most commonly durum wheat but also other wheat species. It is parboiled, or partially cooked, so that it can be prepared relatively quickly. When cooked, it has a similar consistency to couscous or quinoa. Bulgur is considered a whole grain, meaning that the entire wheat kernel, including the germ, endosperm and bran, is eaten. Bulgur originated in the Mediterranean and can be traced back thousands of years. To this day, it's a staple ingredient in many Middle Eastern and Mediterranean dishes. Nutrient content. Not only is bulgur tasty and quick to prepare but also very nutritious. Because it's a minimally processed grain, it maintains more nutritional value than more refined wheat products. Bulgur contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, as well as a substantial amount of fiber. In fact, a single serving provides over 30% of the reference daily intake (RDI) for this nutrient. Bulgur is a particularly good source of manganese, magnesium and iron, and also slightly lower in calories than other comparable whole grains, such as brown rice or quinoa. A 1 cup 182-gram serving of cooked bulgur offers 151 calories. Carbs 34 grams. Protein 6 grams. Fat 0 grams. Fiber 8 grams. Folate 8% of the RDI. Vitamin B6 8% of the RDI. Niacin 9% of the RDI. Manganese 55% of the RDI. Magnesium 15% of the RDI. Iron 10% of the RDI. Potential health benefits. Routine consumption of fiber-rich whole grains, such as bulgur, is associated with multiple health benefits, including disease prevention and improved digestion. 1. Promotes heart health. Adequate intake of fiber-rich foods, like whole grains, fruits and vegetables, may promote heart health. One review revealed that people who consumed 90 to 225 grams of whole grains per day had a 20% reduction in lifelong heart disease risk. Therefore, eating whole grains like bulgur could provide some heart protective benefits. 2. Supports healthy blood sugar control. Compared to refined grains, whole grains are associated with a reduced blood sugar response and lower insulin levels. Some research indicates that whole grains may also improve overall insulin sensitivity. While fiber is often thought responsible for these effects, plant compounds in whole grains may also play an important role. Bulgur wheat is a rich source of both fiber and phytonutrients, which could help improve your blood sugar control. 3. Supports digestion and gut health. Regular consumption of whole grains, such as bulgur, can promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria. These bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids, which support intestinal health and proper digestive function. Additionally, adequate intake of fiber-rich foods, such as bulgur, may also be effective for treating and preventing digestive issues like constipation. 4. Promotes weight loss. Although weight is influenced by a variety of factors, numerous studies link higher fiber intake to weight loss and a reduced tendency toward weight gain. Overall, it is still unclear exactly how dietary fiber impacts weight. For some people, eating fiber leads to increased fullness and thus reduced calorie intake, but it may also play a role in lowering the total amount of energy absorbed from food. Including bulgur alongside other fiber-rich foods as part of a balanced diet may support a healthy weight. It's easy to cook and prepare. Bulgur wheat is very simple to prepare. It is available in fine, medium or coarse varieties and takes 3 to 20 minutes to cook depending on the type. The coarser the grain, the longer the cooking time. The cooking process is similar to that of rice or couscous in that boiling water is used to soften the grain. For every 1 part bulgur, you typically need about 2 parts water. Mediterranean in origin, bulgur remains a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine. It's frequently used in salads, like tabbouleh, or pilafs, alongside herbs, vegetables, spices and sometimes other grains. It can be used as a base for breakfast-style porridges with oats, or in soups, stews and chili. You can also use it in almost any recipe that calls for rice, couscous or a similar grain. Bulgur is fairly easy to find in any major grocery store and relatively inexpensive. You can probably find it in the bulk goods section or with other types of whole grain products. It may also be shelved with other Middle Eastern items. Certain people may want to avoid or limit it. Although bulgur is healthy for many people, it may not be the best choice for everyone. Because bulgur is a wheat product, anyone with a wheat or gluten allergy or intolerance should not eat it. Some people with chronic intestinal disorders, such as inflammatory bowel disease (IBD) or irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), may not tolerate bulgur due to its insoluble fiber content. If you're unsure, start with a small amount to see how your body responds. Similarly, if you're experiencing any acute gastrointestinal symptoms because of infection or illness, it's best to wait until your symptoms improve before introducing high-fiber foods like bulgur in order to avoid exacerbating your illness. Lastly, if you're eating a lot of fiber and you notice poor tolerance of high-fiber foods, it may help to cut back and introduce these foods slowly and in smaller quantities until your tolerance improves. The bottom line. Bulgur is a whole grain made from cracked wheat. It's packed with vitamins, minerals and fiber. Fiber-rich foods like bulgur may reduce chronic disease risk, promote weight loss and improve digestion and gut health. It's easy to cook and can be added to many dishes, including salads, stews and breads. If you're interested in trying bulgur wheat, make sure to consume it as part of a healthy, balanced diet to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs.